find yourself reading slowly or going back over and over again to reread text, I have a technique that could help you reduce that. It's called using a visual pacer, and today I'll show you 5 ways you can use this. A visual pacer is any tool such as your hand, a pencil or a pen that you use to underline the words as you read. What this does is that it helps your eyes focus as you read, and it's simple. So I'll be using this book by Abiola Nochos as an example. Number 1, all you have to do is place your hand or a pen, which is visual pacer, below the text and use it to glide through from left to right as you read. You could also decide to do it this way. Instead of gliding from left to right, you can hover your pacer on one spot and move it down when you are done with that line of text. This is a great tip to help you read faster. What happens is that even if you do not place your tool at the first word, your eyes will still capture those words because it is within your peripheral vision. Now, I mentioned that a pacer can be any tool. It will surprise you to find out that you can also use a card. This is especially useful if you regress a lot. So for this, you place the card over the lines of text you are yet to read so that you can only see the parts you are reading currently. When you are done with that line of text, you move the card down gradually and repeat till you are done. Finally, you can take all of this to the next level by using your non-dominant hand as a pacer. I mean, it just shows a great deal of intentionality when you use your non-dominant hand. How do you do this? Just repeat the steps we have already talked about, but this time with your non-dominant hand. So for me, I usually use my right hand, so my non-dominant will be my left. It can be really slow at first, but this is a great way to force you to concentrate and focus. And over time, it will get faster. That will be all for today. Did you enjoy watching this? Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.